I don't know, guys. We're back here at Pi and on the hourly in oil. I'm still long just a couple or one contract is all. We've come so far out of our core short. I might actually rebuy one or two 42 strike puts as a way to kind of fade this bounce. That way, if we go back down towards the lows, those puts will be up nicely. And then again, if we rally back here towards 46, 47, 48, I'm going to start reshorting with the cycle, you know. But okay, let's just kind of do a recap of everything that's moving today and what we've done well, and maybe not so well. But so we talked about yesterday this being pretty key, getting through 113. And I will say we did a good job when we went through that French election high, guys. If you remember back here at 109, 110. Hold on, let me get my pen out. Okay, so for those of you that might not even have been on the team back in May, we've been playing a core short for the most part on Euro. I would say 90% of the time when we're core trading has been short the Euro for the last several years. And this was a pretty interesting area here because you had our pie line, you know. But we played this short, and the market kind of caught the 30 here. We call that a 30 halt. And so we ended up stopping on this short, but then we did a good job of going long. So this was the French election highs. And I said, you know, okay, the model's telling us that the bands are turning up. We get through this high, we get back in the northern hemisphere above the pie line, we want to be long. And we said, let's play along above here into that 113 area. And sure enough, that's essentially what we got. Well, now we kind of have an extension of that similar type of trade, getting above 113 after leaning back. So we went back core short, and nothing really aggressive. First time I got aggressive on the euro was just for literally like 15 minutes yesterday. I was short like, I don't know, 6 or 7 million short euro, versus before I was only maybe short 300,000 for a core position. So this was a light core short, but we were below 113, so that's how we were playing it, right? And then yesterday, you know, we change when the data and price action changes. So getting above 113, we closed above it. We want to be core long now. And there's room to go back to 115, 116, 117. So not being stubborn with a short here saved you a lot of money and made you back money. Same thing here. Not being stubborn on the short side, going long today helped recoup some of the losses on the core positions yesterday if you were short euros and long dollars. So proud of you guys that flipped. It's the right thing to do. I'm showing you this because this is key. I mean, especially when you day trade, this happens a lot. You got to just flip and go with it. No reservations, no being stubborn, no P&L trading just because you're down, you don't want to stop out. That stuff doesn't work. We want to be flexible in our expectations, or flexible in our expectations, right? And then rigid in our rules. So above 113, flip, go long. And let's just stay with that for the time being. And then here, so like on Euro Kiwi, being core long from yesterday, you know, we want this dip. So leaned a little bit here. Let me change the time frame. So came in. One of the first signals I put in the real-time alerts this morning was if you're a core long, EUROKiwi, to take some off up in here. Then we got whacked down. So rebuy what you sold up here. Rebuy that, and now we're back in the money there. Now we did get a little bit fancy on the day trade side and went long, then flipped and went short because we were getting this descending wedge or flag formation or pennant formation, and this was looking a little bit bearish right here. So I went short, and then when we had this 930 stuff, I ended up stopping on that day trade short. But at the same time, I was long bigger size from a core perspective. And then we talked about buying the dip on the 1 minute, just missed that opportunity right here. But then you move to a new high. So good stop on the intermediate term or on the near term stuff. And then let's just keep playing a core long. Actually, might be a good place to nibble if you guys want to try a day trade long. I got stuff to do through lunch, but you can just use your 15-minute cycle. All right. The 15-minute cycle is high, guys, so let that come down. Over here on Dragon, we've been talking. I don't know. Those of you in the YouTube land, you can go back and look at what we were talking about on Friday. I'm pretty sure I did a live stream or recording some point. But we talked about the two pivots, guys. You remember on cable, right? It was a slow Friday. I went through a bunch of global macro rundown, and I just went on and on for like 20 minutes. Well, this is one of the things that I was talking about, identifying where these pivots were coming into this week. So being above 143, we were already anticipating that we want to think long. So flipping long yesterday, got rewarded today on that. Some of you are even maybe long from our day trade long, like on Monday. That's up over 370 pips from playing long down here. So nice gains on Dragon today. And I still think there's more room. So stay focused on the 15-minute and 30-minute cycles, guys, but there's room to go back to 148, right? And I'll just tell you right now, what do we know about this high or low? We talked about this yesterday, right? Look at the structure here. This is a new lower low. This is a V bottom. This is one of the ways a market can bottom. It's the toughest to catch. That's a phase 1 lower low, guys, then right to a phase 3 higher high. That's a V bottom. You didn't get any phase 2. That's why it's hard to catch. Just boom. All right, but this is a higher high, a big picture higher high. This is a big picture higher low. So based on this higher low, new highs is even possible, maybe 150. Just based on the higher low here and coming off a new higher high, the trend would be for a new higher high up here. All right, so there's some resistance near the market right now. We've already talked about all this, 147, 148. Right, so stay core long. We'll keep buying dips on that trend. I mean, we've gone over so much today. Those are the main things that are working for me this morning. Oh, and Euro Pound. So I've been talking about this. Anything up above towards 88 is you're supposed to be a seller. And didn't get to sell into the London move that had you sold. Like I'll show you guys. Look, last time we were shorting up here, 88.5. Boom. So we sold yesterday, and I missed. There was a couple ads here that we could have been more aggressive, but this was where my average was coming in. I covered some at break even, because this is the move from the highs to here. You gotta act on that movement, and then getting a nice flushed covering today. So nice gains there. Anyway, pretty good day to make up for kind of a tough core trading day yesterday. What did I want to say? Oh, I just want to, for anybody that might be watching this that's new, today we're doing a webinar on, hold on, let me change my screen. Today we're doing a webinar on crypto program, so our cryptocurrency or crypto coin group. It's a new program we just started. Lots of enthusiasm and excitement around it. I'm pretty pumped about it. But if you guys want to jump on that webinar, screen shares all over the place today. JenkinsRM.com. There should be a pop-up if you visit the site, or if you go to the blog. You should see a pop-up for that webinar, JenkinsRM.com. Or I'd also just encourage you to join our community. You can hop in the chat room for free. More than welcome to reach out to me, say hello. I'd love to know what you trade, where you're from, and that's kind of the best way to kind of get involved with the community. So that webinar is gonna be at 2 Eastern. I encourage you guys to think about our real-time alerts product, which we signal all these different trades. It's only 99 bucks a month. That's a great way just to get a feel for what we're doing in the markets: day trade, swing trade, long-term trading. And then this is my full access team. This is the group that I'm addressing, that we trade together every day. You learn my institutional model, ongoing teaching, coaching, mentoring. That's a great program. But this is the crypto coin team also here. You click there. That's how to get involved in that. So I'll be talking more about that at 2. And then just want to share with you guys some of the results we have here and just all the different signals. So in our real-time alerts, I mean, I'm having a nice day, up over 8 grand. There's 15,000 unrealized so far. Just keep riding and letting the market take me out on some of this stuff. But nice gains on pound yen. This is our signals there. This is our trade from, this was I was talking about, day trades from earlier in the week. I'm still long down near 141.94. Nice day, euro pound. Already covered that one. We were talking about the NASDAQ. I won't get into that. What we were doing on gold this morning. So I've been signaling some alerts since 7:50 today. But anyway, this is what our chat room, guys, looks like. So come join us. For those on the team, are you guys good? Or is there anything else we want to look at? A lot of you had good day today. So anyway, guys, talk to me. Did everybody pretty much make money? Rio, you sound like you had a big day. Andrew, you did well. Ed's whipping them around in stocks, usual. So good day, good. You guys make money today, right? Versus some of the core positions were a little bit going against us yesterday, so kind of had to battle back. But, all right. Well, good recap. I got to do a bunch of stuff here before this 2 o'clock session, but look forward to seeing a bunch of you on there. And we'll see what the rest of the day brings us, all right? So you guys know what to look out for. We want to look to buy dips again on Dragon, Euro, New Zealand. You guys know what to do on oil if we pop. All right, guys, good session. I'll catch up with you a little later. You're welcome, Ed. Welcome, guys. Enjoy the rest of your trading day.